Welcome to Recipes for Seven Life. We are talking busy, we're talking family, we're talking good food. Right, Deleon?
Yes, that's right.
All right, so Deleon's here to help us out. What are we making today?
So today we're making fried fish dippers.
Ooh, I like it, I like it. How are we making this?
So it's very simple. You want to take a haddock fish, you want to just skin it and cut it into 2-inch strips.
Okay.
Then after that, hit it with some salt and pepper. Less is more because, you know, kids eat this too. This is a good replacement to chicken nuggets and chicken fingers.
Yes, all right. And I see you have it marinating in some hot sauce?
Yes, that's a trick I learned from Chef Sheen.
Yeah.
But most people use buttermilk or egg wash.
Yes, okay. So after you have it marinating in the salt, pepper, hot sauce, what are you dipping it in?
So we have flour. You can season your flour to taste, of course, but I like to do fish batter to taste, you know. Add that in there.
Here, I'll mix it for you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, and then we're just dipping that in, right?
Yep. So when you dip your fish fillet in there or strip in there, you want to totally cover it. Make sure it's completely covered.
Okay.
Or else you won't get that crunch you want.
All right, so you can go ahead and do that because I'm going to try a nugget here.
Okay.
All right, and Chef, while you're doing that, tell us a little bit about you. You and your wife have how many children?
Yeah, so I'm a father of 4.
I love it. I love it. I have 4 children too. I get it. And you're busy. What do you do?
So we own a dog grooming business and we also own a dog food business, Alfred's Angels and Nickel City Pet Pantry.
I love it. And cooking for your family is something you enjoy doing, right?
Yes, I have to do it. It's therapeutic for me. And I want the kids to know I can cook too.
And having 4 children and being very busy, I'm sure a lot of us can relate, even if you don't have children, just being busy, cooking fast meals that are really good is really important, right?
Yep, I agree.
So, Deleon, thank you for making this. These are delicious, by the way.
Thank you so much.
These are delicious, so you need to head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. You hear that? That sounds so good. Thank you.
Yes.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.